So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add sound effects in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up iMovie app. On here you will see your projects and you can even start a new project underneath. So let's open one of the projects. On here you can see the button edit. You will need to click on that. And from here you can see some stuff that's been added. Now in order to add sound effects, so for instance this will be your sound effect. We will need to click on the plus sign. You can see moments, video, photos, albums, backgrounds, audio, camera, voiceover, and files. And you will need to click on audio. So let's do that. Next thing, you will see soundtracks, my music, and sound effects. Now from here, obviously you want to go to sound effects. Once you open that, you can see a lot of sound effects are on there. It's alphabetical. So you can see quite a lot of choice for your iMovie, and on there just choose one of those. If you click on it, it's going to give you a preview, and once you hear a preview of that sound effect, so something like this, and you can go ahead and cancel. But let's go back to that. If I just click on this and click the plus sign that appears instead of the duration, so it says here 5.2 seconds next to alarm, I will have the option to add it, and you can see right now it's been added to the movie, and you can even trim it down if you wish for it to be just when the movie ends. So that's how you can add sound effects in iMovie. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.